Hello cousins, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Big Mama Cooks and here I make mom level recipes made easy and I air fry them too. Today I have a super easy and yummy fried chicken cutlets video. Let's get right to it. All of the ingredients will be listed in the bottom bar, but I'm going to walk you through all the steps I'll be taking, starting with 2 washed and clean chicken breasts that I'm going to slice into 3 just like this. I'm using a long carving knife and I'm just gently going through sections of the chicken breast to create cutlets. And just like that, from 2 chicken breasts I created 6 chicken cutlets. And next I'm going to go on to seasoning. I'm going to be using 2 tablespoons of garlic powder and I'm going to sprinkle it sparingly over the top. I'm also going to do the exact same thing over the back, so it's 2 tablespoons for the front side for all of them, and then I'm going to flip them and 2 tablespoons of garlic powder on the other side. Next, I'm going to add all-purpose seasoning, also known as adobo. The brand you use is completely up to preference and that's up to you. And I'm also going to add 2 tablespoons just like the garlic powder. Then I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of black pepper, pat all the seasoning in, flip it over, and repeat the process on the other side. So that's 2 tablespoons of garlic powder, 2 of all-purpose seasoning, and 1 of black pepper. Next, I'm going to add a thin layer of cooking oil to my pan that's been going on medium-high heat for the last 2 minutes because I've been heating up my pan, and I'm going to add in my oil to heat up my oil. It's super important that your oil is already hot when you add in the chicken cutlets so they can start cooking evenly. Next, in a plate, I'm going to add in 1 cup of all-purpose flour, and all I'm going to do is add in each chicken breast and pat them down so that they can be fully coated with flour on each side. Yes, we're not going to be adding it into eggs and we're not going to be adding it into any breadcrumbs. This is a surefire, quick, and easy way to make chicken cutlets. And they go right into the already hot oil, which is why it's important to have your oil preheating while you're setting up your chicken cutlets into the flour. This is going to go for the first side for 3 minutes. Altogether, it's 8 minutes to fry the chicken cutlets, but the first side I give it 3 minutes, and then I flip them over and give the other side 5 minutes, an extra 2 minutes, because I like the browner color the other side takes. And since I cut them thinly, they also cook fairly quickly, so 8 minutes altogether. When my first batch is done, I put it aside on a plate on a paper towel so it can drain the oil, and then I'm going to work on the second batch. The same process as the first batch, 3 minutes on one side, 5 minutes on the other side. And chicken cutlets pair well with everything from rice and beans to mashed potatoes to pasta to just some vegetables. It pairs well with everything. And this recipe is perfect for anyone who has an egg allergy or just doesn't like the taste of eggs. Thank you for watching, cousins. Please give me a like on this video and I will see you on the next one. Bye!